Hello, good people. Breaking news. This is your guy, Mr. Educator, Mr. Communicator, Mr. Free Thinker, coming back at you live once again from the Lone Star State with another edition of the Media Mike Speaks. All right, good people. As you saw in the title, Amber Guyger gets news of appeal verdict. And what is that verdict? Denied. I know some of you all probably thought that she probably was going to get get her sentence overturned to where she can come home early. But no, the Fifth Texas Court of Appeals said no. So let's get to this and talk about this. A Texas appeals court again upheld the murder conviction of former Dallas police officer Amber Guyger, who was sentenced to prison for fatally shooting her neighbor Botham Jean in his home. Guyger's attorney was appealing for a rehearing, but the Fifth Texas Court of Appeals in Dallas again affirmed the court's ruling and denied the rehearing request. The court made the same decision back in August, but Guyger's attorney filed another appeal, which was denied Wednesday. Well, we knew that, good people. We knew she was going to continue to do so because, 10 years is a long time. Now, it states that she's going to continue to serve a 10-year prison sentence. She will become eligible for parole in 2024 under her current sentence. So it's not too bad. Now, as you all may or may not remember, Jean, a 26-year-old accountant, had been eating a bowl of ice cream before Guyger shot her. She was later fired from the Dallas Police Department. So, and we'll talk a little bit about that, to where, she tried to say, I thought it was my place and I had worked so many hours and okay. So, the court's Chief Justice Robert D. Burns III and Justices Lena Myers and Robbie Kipnis concurred with prosecutors disagreeing that Guyger's belief that deadly force was needed was reasonable. In a 23-page opinion, the justices also disagreed that evidence supported a conviction of criminally negligent homicide rather than murder. So yeah, it was. It was murder. So, you see, good people, Amber Guyger was a trained police officer. I believe a veteran of 5 years or more. So she was trained to notice things out of the ordinary. And Botham Jean had a big red mat right outside the door. So no ma'am, you stay. I know you want to get away. I know you want to escape. But sit tight. I do believe she will be paroled in 2024. I think so. In 2024, I do believe they're going to let her out. I believe so. I think that's what they're trying to kind of say, like, sit tight. Stop trying to do these appeals. You're not going to get out until at least you do half your time. But she probably doesn't want to wait that long. Well, too bad. Now, I did not agree with all the hugging that went on after the conviction. I believe the bailiff and court officers should have followed proper protocol because you don't know what's on the mind of individuals, especially after you murdered someone close to them. So, but even though, even the judge didn't follow proper protocol procedure, in my professional opinion, even proper courtroom decorum was neglected. But hey, they did it anyway. And be that as it may, Miss Guyger will stay. At least till 2024 anyway. Well, we will see. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, this is your guy, Mr. Educator, Mr. Communicator, Mr. Free Thinker. Subscribe, share, and like to keep me rocking on the mic. Have a good night.